Hi, I'm Susan Westmoreland, Culinary Director at Good Housekeeping, and today we're going to make a really delicious chicken salad, perfect for summer. I love chicken salad, but I also think sometimes it's a little too creamy and bland, so our secret ingredient today is some grainy mustard. Really makes it delicious. If you want to shortcut this recipe, you can buy a rotisserie chicken and just shred it off the bone with your fingers and use the whole chicken. The light and dark meat works really nicely. For the creamy part of the chicken salad, I like to do a blend of mayonnaise and Greek yogurt. I usually do 2 parts mayo to 1 part yogurt, but you can mix it up. You can switch up this chicken salad really easily by swapping in herbs. I love the tender herbs like basil, cilantro, or mint in it. It works really beautifully. If you want to use firmer herbs like rosemary or thyme, I would cut it down to a teaspoon of each. Thanks for joining us. For more recipes and tips, check out goodhousekeeping.com.